ഇത്തവണത്തെ നമ്മുടെ ഓണാഘോഷ പരിപാടികൾ ഔദ്യോഗികമായി ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്യുവാൻ നമുക്ക് ഒരു വിശിഷ്ട അതിഥിയുണ്ട്. മലയാളി കൂടിയായ ജപ്പാനിലെ ഇന്ത്യൻ അംബാസിഡർ ഹെയർ എക്സലൻസി മിസ്സിസ് ദീപ ഗോപാലൻ വാദ്വയെ ഞങ്ങൾ സ്നേഹപൂർവ്വം സാദരം ഈ വേദിയിലേക്ക് ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു. നമുക്കെല്ലാം വേണ്ടി രണ്ടു വാക്ക് സംസാരിക്കുവാൻ ഞാൻ മാഡത്തോട് അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു.
എല്ലാവർക്കും ഓണം ആശംസകൾ. എൻ്റെ മലയാളം മറ്റുള്ളവരെയുള്ളൂ. Being Malayali by origin but not having really lived in Kerala, I do speak some Malayalam but of not a very high quality, and I don't dare to speak in front of all of you. But I do want to tell you how happy I am to be here today. I never realized that there was such a large community from Kerala. And I must thank Nihon Kerala and all the organizers for putting on such a good show and such a wonderful sadhya, and having all of you here together so that I have an opportunity to meet you all and you have an opportunity to know me. I must say, as ambassador, we are really here for you. The embassy is here for you, I am here for you. So I want to see more of you participating in things that happen in the embassy and feeling more part of this oneness of India here. What is so special about Onam is, I think, the fact that it is celebrated by everybody in Kerala, irrespective of the region, religion. I think everyone comes together and celebrates Onam, and that is what is special about Kerala. I hope you bring the spirit of Kerala to Japan, because as I tell people when I meet them, people don't get to see me very often, but they get to work with you when I meet here the Japanese. And each one of you here are really representatives of India, the ambassadors of India, much more than I am. So do keep up the spirit of Kerala, the spirit of India, work together and contribute in such a way that we as India feel very proud of ourselves in this wonderful country. Thank you again for having me here. I wish you a very happy and enjoyable afternoon. I unfortunately have to go. Namaskar.
Thank you.